Yo, yo, what's up, what's up? How's it going, everybody? Good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? Yo, what up, Devin? What up, Caveman, Statue? Yo, let's go. Was that you, Breezy? It says Statue 13. Let's go, let's go. Heck yeah, dude. All right, let's get into it, man. Let's see what's going on here on the NASDAQ. So, yeah, we got that big drop off last night, and let's see. Let's see. We haven't filled the gap. So, look, first of all, this was super bearish anyway before the news, because look right here. You can see right here was a perfect 4-hour inversion. Swept these highs over here. Swept all these highs right into this 4-hour inversion. Kind of had some trend line liquidity going on right there. So I mean, if this was a lower time frame, that was a beautiful trade. And then so it closed below there, and then, you know, the news came out over here, dumped it down. But yeah, so it was bearish even before the news pretty much. And let's see what's going on here. We got this gap up here. I had this marked out earlier. Let me mark it out just to have it. I don't know if we'll get all the way back up there, but I'll put gap fill is up there. Gap fill. And let's see, man. So we're approaching into these hourly fair value gaps. You can see after this big drop down, we came up and we tapped into this hourly gap right here and started to reject from it. Now, are we gonna push above it and continue up to go fill this gap? We'll see, we'll see. But let's hop down here on the lower time frame to see kind of what's going on down here. Yeah, so I caught a short this morning, right over in this area here. Got this inversion right here. It was like a nice 3-minute inversion, I think was 3 minute. Yeah, look at that 3-minute inversion right there. I got in short and already got out. Took a little scalp down. Got in around here on this wick back up, and then got out somewhere around down here when it tapped some of these lows down here. Got out down there. But yeah, took a nice trade this morning already, so could start to continue up now. We did take out these lows over here. Just took out these lows, and it's popping back up. So let's see if it's gonna keep on going up or what's gonna happen. See what's gonna happen. Let me see what everybody's doing here. Read the chat for a minute. Yo, what up, Cook? New Apex account seem all right with the new rules. I got 20 of the end of days passed. No, that's not Hypertix. Hypertix, I'm getting a Hypertix payout either today or tomorrow also with Hypertix. I got a 10,000 one a few weeks ago. I think it was like 2 weeks ago, and I'm about to get another big Hypertix payout, but yeah, let's see. What's over here? What up, Vit? What's going on, bro? Thanks for the sub, anonymous YouTuber. Heck yeah, Breezy. Nice trade, bro. I saw it. I saw it. I saw it. Yeah, but let's get over here. So do we think we're still gonna be bearish today? Let's look at the 1 hour. I mean, on the 1 hour, I would say, look at this bullish gap down here. If we close below it, probably dropping lower. And then if we close above, you know, these gaps here, we're probably going higher. So I'd watch these gaps here. Got some 1 hour fair value gaps, and I'd watch those there in the New York session. But we did take out all of these lows over here. So, I mean, it could pop back up. It doesn't have to come take these. We'll just see what's gonna happen. In the New York session, man. I love it. I love the crazy volatility, man. It makes the market a lot better for me to trade, at least. The moves are a lot more cleaner. I like it when the candles move smoother, you know? You don't get a bunch of those gappy candles when the market's volatile. It's nice, man. Real nice. It's real nice. You got some gappy candles here, but it'll be fine, dude. It'll be fine. Is anybody in a trade right now? Thoughts on London equal lows? Let's see. Oh yeah, there are some equal lows down here. Yeah, it's probably gonna come down here, tap into this gap at least. I mean, like, this looks like a wide open gap here on the 3 minute. Same thing with it already tapped into that 5 minute though. But yeah, it's got equal lows down here. Well, did that take it by just a little bit? I think this one dropped below it just a hair. But I mean, you could say it's relative equal lows, but this one over here, it swept it just a hair. Swept it by just a hair. Yeah, man, but is anybody in this 3 minute long right here? 3 minute inversion long. Looks like it's going to be playing out. Let's see. Big old wide open gap up here to target too, so pretty good. Nice gap up here. Boom. Let me crack it open, dude. Let me crack it open. Anybody see this, man? I got an Alani, dude. My girlfriend's the best, man. She was taking this to work. She said she thought I needed an Alani this morning, so she let me have it. Oh yeah, the crack of that Alani, man. We about to get litty for the market open. A bunch of people's in shorts, it looks like. Nah, I mean, I wouldn't say you're cooked. I don't, I'm kind of indecisive right now. I feel like it's trapped between, kind of these two hourly candles. Got an hourly fair value gap down here and an hourly up there. So, I mean, maybe not. Maybe not. We will see, though. we'll see. How big contracts y'all trading in this volatility? You trading micros or minis? Full board? Man. Yeah, I'm waiting on New York Open. I already took a trade though. I took a trade. I caught a win over here. You want me to go over my trade I took this morning? I can go over it. I might can even post a picture here. Let's see. This was my trade from this morning right here. It was a 3-minute inversion short. Got in. This is like the 1-minute time frame though, but it was a 3-minute inversion short right over here. Let's find it. Oh, look at that. That 3-minute long's playing out. Inversion long. Over here, I took a 3-minute short. Look at that 3-minute long playing out. Look, it was right up here. Tapping into that 1 hour fair value gap. We got a 3-minute inversion right here. And when it closed below, I got in on the wick. So it started wicking up like that. And I got in short about right there. And I just kind of targeted these lows over here. So it was something like this right here. But it was a nice trade, dude. Like, this is like a signature in price. Like, you see it and you know it's going to play out. Like, just the way, look, we are building up this trend line liquidity right here. Like, kind of like building up trend line liquidity. You get a big spike right here at the end of this trend line liquidity right up into a higher time frame for value gap. And then, boom, a V-shape right down, close below it. And boom, get in short, run some of that trend line liquidity. Easy money. Easy money right there, man. But yeah, man, I made a free PDF of my entry model. If you're wanting it, you can click the link in my bio. You can download it for free. Let's see what everybody's saying, man. I told you the long looked pretty good. That 3-minute long. This is NASDAQ. You can see it right there in the corner of the screen. It says NQ. What up, Vit? Could I quickly explain the new Apex rules? Can't find squat on their site about it. I mean, yeah, man, you can, I mean, if you click the FAQs, it'll show you the 2 different accounts on their site. Just find the FAQ page and it'll show you. But I mean, I'll try to explain it. So basically now, I'm going to explain it in the 50K rules because that's what I trade is the 50Ks. So now the 50K, the max payout you can get on the first, it depends. There's 2 different accounts. One's just like the old ones. It's the trailing drawdown. The new accounts they introduced are the end of day. So the drawdown, it doesn't follow you. Like, so if you're in a profitable trade, your drawdown doesn't follow you until the end of the day on these end of the day accounts. So a lot of people are excited about that. And you can have 20 accounts still on the end of the day accounts. I mean, that's really the only difference. I mean, the other difference, nobody really makes it there anyway, so it don't really matter. But once you get past, your 6 payout, you can't have like $1 million or $2 million payout anymore. You're limited to 6 payouts. And there's like tiers. So depending on what accounts you go with, either end of day or trailing, One of them, the first payout is like 1,500 on the 50K, and then on the other one, the first two is 1,500, and then it gradually increases. So your third payout, you can get $2,000, and then your sixth, you can end up getting like 3,500. But that's pretty much it. I just tried out the end of day, so I passed 20 end of day accounts, and I'm about to give them a go. See what's going on. So if you're a person that, you know, kind of likes to let your trades run a little bit, that's where the end of day could be good. But if you take base hits, it really doesn't matter what account size you get anyway. Because if you're going for base hits, then most of the time, you'll be fine with either one, the trailing or the end of day. Is it normal that my lifetime apex price is 125 right now instead of 75? Oh, dang. I hope they ain't 125. I hope they're 75. We'll see, though. I hope they ain't 125. Yeah, man, but I'm getting a hyperticks payout to date. Dude, look at this 3-minute inversion. I was looking at the chat, man. Dude. That 3-minute long right there. Sheesh. Sheesh. Telling you, man, the inversions thrive in these high volatility markets. They thrive. Like when you see how volatile it is right now, that's when this inversion model, it really thrives. It's not that great in like the slow, choppy mess, but in this volatile stuff, man, this is when you take advantage. If you're an inversion trader, you know, fair value gap trader, this kind of stuff here. This 3-minute, look, like almost every single one's working. 3-minute short right here. This is the one I took. It worked right here. And then you get the 3-minute long back to the upside. It's working, dude. Everything's working right now. It's beautiful. A beautiful sight to see if you're an inversion trader. Boom! I hope those people who were in the shorts got out. Somebody was saying they were in shorts. I hope they got out, man. Let's see, where's this gap fill though? All the way up here, dude. It's a long wait. 209 points away. It ain't as far as it was, dude. Look at that move. Getting some movement right now. All right, let me read the chat a bit, see what's going on again. Devin said 5-minute long was perfect. Heck yeah, bro. Nice. Hala said we are fasting. I'm not fasting. I'm not fasting. Somebody said it's about to do a 1-hour inversion. What's the best charts to use with Apex? I like Quantower or Tradeify. But Quantower, they have built-in, built-in copy trading, built-in bracket orders for copy trading. It's very nice. So I think Quantower is one of the best, Tradeify's good if you have a Mac or, you just want something simple and easy because you can access it from the web. But Quantower is super easy too. It's just an application. But yeah, man, I'm trading with Hyperticks right now. Also, 50% off with code SLADE. Why long though? I mean, I didn't take it, but I was just showing off. It was a beautiful 3-minute inversion right there. Swept the lows down here. Delivering from a 5-minute fair value gap. It's just really nice. 5-minute bullish fair value gap. And you know, fair value gaps, I mean, I literally say it every stream. These fair value gaps, they act as support and resistance, dude. So this is a green bullish fair value gap. Each time price comes down to tap into it, it's going to act as a support. It's going to come down and it's going to bounce up, right? So that's the same thing that happened here. Look what happens. Come down, tap into this 5-minute bullish fair value gap. Boom, we get a 3-minute inversion. Beautiful trade long. Right here. 3-minute inversion. Delivering from a 5-minute fair value gap. Textbook, textbook, textbook. You get in long. You can even go to break even at this high if you want to be safe. So boom. Look at that. People say that's too close for break even. But look, dude, it hit the high and it never came back. It kept running. Boom, boom. Take some profits along the way. Your full target would have been at this high over here. Easy. You would have got a bang and win right there. Bang and win. But I have a PDF on my entry model. If you want it, I made a free PDF. You can download it from the link in my bio. Oh, nice. Antonio chose the 1-minute inversion. Nice, bro. Yeah, I mean, you can do that if you're if you have a super strong and clear bias. Yeah, you can enter on those lower time frames a little early. That 3-minute just looked the cleanest because I wasn't really super bullish biased, but that 3-minute was one singular clean fair value gap. Looked nice. No, Nick, it works on any time frame. You just pick the best one. So like you switch through the time frames and whichever one has the cleanest looking setup, like one singular fair value gap is the best. Dude, I'm trading in the New York session in the Discord, man. Is anybody gonna join? You can get 7 days free. What's your biggest P&L? I'm guessing you're asking about my biggest payout. The thing was like 35,000 from Apex. But 2 weeks ago, I got a $10,000 payout from Hypertix, and either today or tomorrow, I'm getting a Hypertix payout. So I'll post it in the Discord when I get it. Alpha Finesse, you want to join? Yeah, if you want to join, just click the link in my bio. And you get 7 days free, so you can trade this whole week with me for free. You can steal all my entries and stuff. I trade live in there. Dude, this one is good, dude. It's called Pink Slush. It's good. You click the link in my bio to join. You join the Discord. I think I got it set up. Somebody let me know. Yeah, you click that link and it says trade with me free for 7 days. You just click it and you can join. Let's look at the YouTube chat. Yo, thanks for the sub. Easy. Appreciate it. Let's go, Cody. Cody's gonna be there. Let's go. Yeah, dude. I'm excited for today. Like, I'm hoping price action stays as good in the New York session. I mean, and you still have a pretty good target. If it wants to go up, I mean, easily target the gap fill up here. These highs. You got a lot of good targets higher, but I mean, it's kind of in the middle here. So you also got good targets lower if it wants to come lower. So, I mean, hey, we got some, hopefully we get the volatility going during the New York session, get some good trades. I'm excited Excited. Feel like this week's gonna be a good week to trade. If you've been waiting, past few weeks weren't that great, in terms of fair value gaps and stuff. But I mean, this week with the volatility, we should get some really nice movement. So I'm excited, man. Excited. Let's get it. What am I looking for at New York Open? I'm going to be looking for a sweep and an inversion fair value gap trade. You're trading only New York session? Yeah, with the Discord. I took a trade this morning, but I wasn't on stream or anything. Yeah, there's red folder news at 10 a.m. It just depends. It depends where we're at when we open at New York, right? On what sweep I'm looking for. I mean, if we're still, we probably won't be in this area, but I mean, if we came down now, I'd be looking for like a sweep into this area possibly, and a long back up. That'd look pretty nice. But it just depends. If it comes down here and it keeps dropping lower, then I'm not going to enter a long, right? I needed to come down here and get an inversion back to the upside to get in long, but it don't have to do that. So that's why you got to be nimble, man. You can't just have like one setup in mind, all right? Because it could come down here and like say I'm looking for a bounce in this area. Well, it could come down here and then it doesn't have to bounce. It can keep coming, break these lows, and then, if it breaks these lows, I might be looking for a long from there, right? If it comes up, taps into a fair value gap, a higher time frame fair value gap, I might be looking for a short from a fair value gap, right? So, there's a bunch of different scenarios and stuff you got to go through. Like, we're tapping into these 1 hour gaps over here. You got multiple 1 hour gaps. So you got a 1 hour gap kind of up here. This is kind of your last 1 hour gap. So maybe we come tap up here into this very top gap up here at the open, tap into that gap and come back down a bit. I'm just going to be watching, looking for a good entry pretty much. Because I'm not looking for the move of the day or anything, right? I'm looking for just a good quality trade, a good quality base hit, lock in some points, just get my little piece, get my little breadcrumb and get out of there, man. That's where a lot of people go wrong. A lot of people, they try to go for too much money. Stack up your base hits. But once you've been doing this long enough too, you just start to understand. You just start to understand a little different. Dude, I've been doing this since 2018, man. I've been trading since 2018, and it ain't all been pretty, but you get to a point where you just start to understand the markets. You find something that starts to work and you just run with it. And then you just hold on to that. You get better and better. You mold it into how you like to trade. And then, man, from there, it kind of gets boring. You just kind of wait on what you know and you look for every single day. Exactly, Luke. Yeah, everybody trades differently, right? Everybody's mind works different. So some people, they're going to be more profitable with bigger risk reward. Some people, they can't handle losses. So they need to, get in and out, be scalpers. If you're not good at handling losses, which I think everybody should learn to be good at handling losses if you're going to be trading. But some people, I'm kind of like that, man. I like the quick trades. I like to just stack my wins little by little. Boom, boom, boom. I don't like to lose a whole lot. Some people, they can lose 8 trades in a row and that ninth trade, they'll get a 25 RR or something like that crazy, you know? Just depends on your style. Yeah, that's the 1 minute right there. Exactly, Misha. You got it right there. Dude, I gotta post a short today. I forgot to post one. I gotta text my girlfriend too. Give me just a second. I gotta text her. I gotta say, hey baby, how you doing? You want me to check gold? Let me check it out. Let's see what's going on with gold. We got Chip jumping up here, dude. He's about to get in the... Oh, he's messing with my key over there. Get out of here, Chip. What are you doing? What are you doing, bro? All right, let's take a look at gold then, man. Here's gold right here. Chip, man, stop. Now he's trying to drink my drink. Come here. Oh, Chip, what you doing, bro? Get down. Chip's crazy. All right, let's look at gold, man. Got a gap up on gold. Look at gold. Look exactly where it bounced. Look exactly. Can somebody tell me where it bounced? Look at that. Can somebody tell me what that is right there? Boom, that's a 1 hour fair value gap, bullish fair value gap. Gold came right down into it. Look at that, came right down into this bullish fair value gap. And what did it do? Exactly what a bullish fair value gap is supposed to do. It acted as a support. It hit it and it bounced up, right? Bullish fair value gap. Use it as a support, right? Keep it simple, man. Don't do anything too crazy. Bullish fair value gap supposed to act as a support. Gold came down, tapped into it, bounced up from there. Nice and simple. Keep it nice and simple. Let's see, you got a little 10-minute inversion out of that. Look at that. 10-minute inversion fair value gap. Boom. Could have got in long. Right there. And it went up. It's going up. Going up. 10-minute inversion fair value gap on gold. Yeah, gold looks like it's going to continue on up from here. We'll see. We'll see if it starts to reject when it starts hitting some of these highs over here. It took out these highs, rejected down. Let's see if it's going to go after those highs over there. But I mainly focus on the NASDAQ. But, I mean, fair value gaps work on gold too. They work on anything, man. They work on anything. But I have an entry model checklist. If you want to download it, you can click that link in my bio, or you know. But I'll be live trading at 9:15, 9:20 in the Discord. You can get 7 days free. Click the link in my bio. You can trade with me for free for 7 days. Also, come check it out, man. Even if you don't want to buy it, just come hang out for 7 days. Come hang out for 7 days. Join and immediately cancel. I don't care. You just sold your gold on Friday? Dang, bro. I got all kinds of gold, man. Dude, this is what I'm thinking about doing. So my, one of the jewelers I work with, I'm a jeweler, right? I make custom jewelry. And so the guy I work with, he was the previous owner. Him and his partner, they, back in the day, they were buying one gold coin a month, right? That was their goal. Like they would buy one. It was a lot cheaper. I think it was like $500, but they would buy one gold coin a month. I'm thinking about buying like 2 silver coins a month, dude. I was looking on like JM Bullion. I may start buying 2 silver coins a month. They're pretty cool too, man. They got a bunch of different stuff, but what do you guys think about that? Buying 2 silver coins a month on JM Bullion. Check gold. We just looked at gold. Let me set up a little gift thing here, man. Oh, dude, look at this one. Lucky lenses. That guy looks cool, man. Somebody send me one lucky lens, man. That guy looks cool. All right, we can check out gold. Yeah, but look, dude. I'm telling you, man, today's the day. Today's the day you want to be trading. These things working, man. Look at that. Went up here, took out this high over here, and then boom, coming down. Got a little inversion, big old inversion right there. Boom, coming down. This is sweet, man. I can't wait. 9:30 is gonna be crazy. Gonna be crazy. Gonna be fun, man. Yeah, man. I mean, we checked out gold. I mean, it looks the cleanest on the 1 hour time frame here. We were saying it came down, tapped into this 1 hour fair value gap, and it's going up. Right? I would wait. If it closes below this 1 hour fair value gap, you can start looking for shorts. But as long as it's holding this 1 hour fair value gap, it's bullish on gold. 1 hour bullish fair value gap acts as support. So as long as it's holding this 1 hour fair value gap, I'm looking for longs. On NASDAQ here, you just playing it. You just playing the fair value gaps on the lower time frames. Playing the fair value gaps here. Same thing here on NASDAQ. You got a 1 hour gap here. As long as NASDAQ's holding this 1 hour bullish fair value gap, be looking for longs. But keep in mind on NASDAQ, you do have some bearish gaps to the left. So it might ping pong around in here like it's doing right now. You see it's ping ponging because it's got bullish fair value gaps and it's got these bearish fair value gaps over here. So it's just ping ponging around right now, the NASDAQ. Ping ponging around, and you know those lower time frame inversions are playing out inside of the gaps. So I caught a 3-minute inversion over here. There was just an inversion to the downside over here. There was an inversion to the upside right there. All on lower time frames. You're getting these really nice ping pong action. It goes and sweeps some lows, gets an inversion back, sweeps the highs. You know, some nice ping pong action going on. Yeah, man, that's all. I mean, somebody said this is gambling. I mean, that's what trading is. If you want to be like, just be honest with yourself. Trading is just It's just gambling, dude, with an edge. You're gambling with an edge when you're trading. So, yeah, sure. Sure, we're gambling, but guess what? We've got an edge. So, let's go, Bib. Biblical posted his levels in the Discord if you guys want to go check it out. Vit said, so is driving to work. Exactly. What up, Furious? What up? What up, man? How's it going? Oh, Pine Tree in the chat, dude. We got the man, the myth, the legend. Pine Tree. Let's go. Seen that a little late, I think. He might already be gone. But Mr. Pine Tree himself was in here. I was over there looking at the other chat. It's a little more people commenting there. What's your PG? I don't know what a PG is. We going up, said Chris Reyna. Man, I mean right now it's indecisive. Indecisive. It's stuck between two hourly fair value gaps. But I'll say, I mean, I think we go up. We'll see. I mean, got a nice little V shape kind of down here at the bottom. Might get a little manipulation at open. Continue up. But I'm just going to wait. We're bouncing between two hourly gaps. Gold here, it's on the 1 hour. It's bouncing from this 1 hour gap, bouncing up. So we'll see, man. But yeah, dude, I'm getting a Hypertix payout. Getting ready, dude. Getting ready, sending it in, waiting on the approval. Waiting on the approval on my Hypertix either today or tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see. How long's everyone been trading? Let's see. Do I got everybody beat here? I've been trading since 2018. Do I have everyone beat? Macy says since October. 9 months, 3 weeks, 3 months. Oh, you guys are babies in here. Everybody's babies. It's hard for me to like remember when I first started trading. So like what is something like the only thing I remember is like when I first started trading, I didn't understand the candlesticks. I felt like an idiot, dude. I remember like I don't know, like the first week or something, I was looking at the charts. I was like, dude, what are these? How do you read these stupid candles? I was like, what are these lines on the top of them? Like, what makes the lines? But yeah. If you're new, I'd say learn about fair value gaps and liquidity. It'll help you a lot. Vesna's been trading 2 months. Breezy been trading 1 year. Let's go, bro. Pine Tree 5 years. Let's go, dude. First futures trade you took, you lost $500 on a personal. You've been hooked on a loss, dude. First trade I took, it was in 2018, dude. I was in high school, and I remember I was watching this dude. His name was Black Box Trader, and I was trading Forex. And dude, he's like, you gotta get in long right here. This is gonna be good. It's gonna run all day. And I was like, all right, we getting in long. I got in long, dude. I got in long. It ran up the whole entire day. I kept adding to that thing. I kept adding it and it was going. I didn't know what I was doing, but he said it was going up, so I just kept on adding, and I made $800 that day. I thought I was rich too, man. That was my first trade, and I was hooked on that ever since. It was $800 on KOT Forex. If anybody ever traded with them. KOT Forex. I've been hooked ever since. Some people in here says 2017. Nice. Oh yeah, dude, it was epic. And dude, like, I don't know if you know about Forex, but like there's lot sizes, and I didn't know much about it. So each time it would go up, I just keep clicking the add button, dude. And like some of them were getting liquidated out because my margin was too low or something. But I ended the day up $800, and I was like when it would pull back some, it would liquidate a few of my positions, and then as it went up, I would add them back. It was crazy. I didn't know what I was doing. I just knew that guy was saying it was gonna go up, so I was like, "Hey, we're gonna ride with it." Took you forever to figure out what it meant when someone said going short. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I guess when I first started, I would think, yeah, going short, that would confuse me too. Nah, I didn't get in the short squeezes like GameStop and stuff. I remember it though. I was looking at it, but I was like, man, I know if I enter this, it's just gonna start tanking. So I don't really do any of that risky stuff. I remember in like 2020 or whatever when Dogecoin was having that huge pump, I got in that with like I didn't have much money, but I put a few dollars into Dogecoin, made a few dollars. Do I think war's gonna affect the open? I mean, we'll see, man. I mean, it affected the open last night. So I mean, I feel like with this huge range, we should have some good volatility today. I mean, from the open all the way down, I mean, that's like a 500-point range. So I mean, there should be plenty of opportunities if you're a scalper to scalp some profits out. Look at it. It's ping-ponging, man. NASDAQ's ping-ponging in between these two fair value gaps. It comes down, taps into this 1 hour gap, goes back up, taps into these hourly gaps up here, ping-ponging. It's got to figure out which way it wants to go. But for now, NASDAQ's just ping-ponging. It's ping-ponging. But yeah, man, if you guys are picking up any accounts, any prop firm accounts, make sure you're using code SLADE, man. I appreciate it. I'd appreciate it, man. Diamond hands. Oh, yeah. What prop firms you use? I use them all. But today I requested a payout with Hypertix. So we'll see. I've been liking Hypertix lately. Been getting a lot of payouts with them. I like the prop firms I'm getting payouts with at the time. Anybody else feel that way? people always ask me my favorite prop firms, and they're always changing based on which one I'm getting payouts with. What up, Flipping Hawaiian? What's going on? Oh yeah. Yep. I'm about to hop off here. I'm about to go get in the Discord with the gang. We about to try to make some money. But yeah, if you want to join, you can join and trade for free for 7 days. Yo, Daniel Britton sending a rose. He sent a heart me and a lightning bolt. Let's go, dude. 3 lightning bolts. Heck yeah, man. I appreciate that. I don't really know what it means, but they look cool. Appreciate that. But yeah, dude, I'm about to hop off of here. Hope everybody has a good day. Make sure you check out Hypertix, code Slade, 50% off. And yeah, man. If you want to trade with me for New York session, click that link in the bio. You can do it 7 days free. But I'm out of here, guys. See ya. Oh, hang on. Before I get out of here, I want to do something. Let me see if I can do something. Not that. Give me just a second, man. I'm trying to play an outro song. All right, let me try to play an outro song. Let me try to play the old outro. Let me find it. It's cool, man. You guys want to wait on it. It's a cool song. Finding it right here. Here it is.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high, on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold. Every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. Trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold. Every blade, every hole. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green. Biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Candlestick, red and green. Biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best.